What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T. So today is Monday. I believe it's October 3rd or 4th. One of them. I think it's the 3rd though. And it is cold, all right? It's 49 degrees. It's wet and rainy today. It's not raining right now, but it's going to be raining throughout the day. So just giving y'all the layout of what's going on today, all right? So I just want to give you guys just a little update on what's going on. So last week I took the whole entire week off. I didn't work at all. My car overheated. I believe it was Monday when I was ready to go out and work on Monday. My car overheated and I had to wait till my dad got off of work and everything like that. And then we put antifreeze in the car and we noticed that it was leaking, so I had to take it to the mechanic. Took it to the mechanic the next day and he said he fixed it, and then after, it wasn't fixed, so I had to then take it back the next day. And then after that, I had to make sure that it was fixed, so I gave it another day just to make sure it was fixed. And then after that, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take the whole week off, and that's what I did, y'all. Okay, so I haven't worked in a whole entire week and I'm back out here to make some money. This is just a wonderful day to try to make some money, right? When it's cold and it's wet and everything like that, like whatever. So I missed the Costco drop. I did not get at the Costco before 10 o'clock. I missed it. So I just came and drove to another Costco and I'm waiting to see what I get. Now, all of the orders so far are very, very crappy. I did see some orders that I wanted to take at the Audis, but your girl spends all her quarters on her week off. So I don't have no quarters for the carts at Audi. So I would have to literally like go to the bank or something and like break $1 and all of this goofy stuff because I don't even have no cash on me. So maybe I'll do that in the midst of the day, so that way I could probably take some Audi orders later. But right now I'm just outside the Costco just to see what I can get right now. I did see a $56 order and I'm so upset because when I seen it and I like hit it, somebody else took it. So now I'm just waiting to see if I can find another decent size order. If not, it's cool, because to me at this point for today, especially since it's been a week, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little lazy. So I ain't really beat for those big orders either, but at least show me an order that's over $20 that's not going that far. And that's not what I'm seeing right now at all. Like, these orders are terrible, y'all. Like, I don't know what's going on. Instacart, like, me and Instacart, we not doing too good. Like, our relationship is starting to die. So I think I'm gonna turn on the food delivery apps too. Doordash, I have it scheduled for later because y'all know when it's gray you can't get on. So I did schedule for Doordash later because they only have one available slot. So hopefully maybe it'll turn a little pink or red and I can get in there a little earlier. Uber, I had it on, but I turned it off because it was just annoying me with them package deliveries going all those miles for a little bit of money. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna turn you off for right now. Let me record my video and then I'll turn you back on. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to just focus on Instacart and put Uber on and see what I can get, y'all, so we can get this day started. It is after 11 o'clock, so we are off to a late start, but we're gonna be out here for a while today. So let's see what we get, y'all. All right, guys, so I ended up leaving the Costco. I wasn't getting any orders at all and I stayed there way too long. Now I was able to get on Doordash, so I'm on Doordash right now, Uber and Instacart. I finally got an order on Uber. It's 2 miles. It's at Jersey Mike Subs. It's for $7.36. So I just grabbed it because I didn't do anything yet. And it's like, yo, I need to get the ball rolling. Doordash immediately made me realize why I don't mess with it no more. Like, the orders on Doordash is just trash. Like, that junk is so frustrating. And I used to be so big on Doordash. I don't know what's going on with Doordash. But all right, guys, let's go in here, get this Uber order, drop it off. Hopefully we can see something in the midst of doing it so we can keep going. So let's go. Yeah, I went in there, the order not ready. They like super busy. I just unassigned the order, so I gave it up. I'm still not seeing nothing on Instacart. Doordash is sending me bogus orders, and I think I'm about to just sit here and wait in this area for a little while. But this is crazy. Like, it's not looking like today is going to turn out to be too good. And I'm going to be honest with y'all. Like, I'm not going to sit out here. Like, I'm not going to sit out here all day and not make no money. Or sit out here all day and mess around and make a little tiny bit of money. Like, I ain't with it. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna come back once I find an order again, and hopefully this order is ready. So yeah, y'all, after waiting for hours, okay, it is 1 o'clock. I finally got an order. It's not the best order, but it's something, okay? It's real out here. So this order is $23. It's 2 customers. It's at ShopRite. So I'm already in the ShopRite parking lot. I'm just gonna move my car closer to the store. So let's go and get this order done, and hopefully we can keep moving after this, because y'all, it is so slow. Oh my God. All right, y'all. So it took me 20 minutes to do that order. I did have to do a couple of replacements, but it was fast. Now I'm gonna take some pictures of these receipts because I didn't get a chance to do it inside the store. So let me do that, and then we're gonna drop it off to the customers, guys. All right, guys, I just dropped off the customer A. It says customer B is 3 minutes away, so I guess it's right around the corner. So let me go and drop this off to customer B, y'all. All right, so let me tell y'all what I did, right? So I accepted an order from Lowe's. Never did a Lowe's order before. It's a Lowe's order and an Audi order. It's a double order for $39, 2 customers. And I went inside the Lowe's with no cart. I don't know what I was thinking, but when I see how long the things was, I was like, oh, you know what? Maybe I should have got a cart. Anyway, good thing the lady at the register gave me a cart when I was checking out, because I managed to get all the stuff over there by then. Now, here's the second issue, okay? It literally took me 5 minutes to do the Lowe's order. My second issue is that Audi's, I used all my quarters. So I don't got no quarters in this car. Y'all know you need a quarter to get an Audi's cart. I am hoping that I can find a cart without like the quarter thing. Maybe there'll be one loose. Because if not, y'all, it's either 2 things gonna go down. Either I'm gonna be holding it in my bags, like my reusable bags, or I'm gonna bring my wagon in there and look like a fool. I might do the wagon though. I don't mind looking like a fool sometime. So hopefully I can find a cart, y'all. Like, cross your fingers for me, like, because don't nobody really want to hold nothing, like. Ooh, y'all, I think I see a cart. I gotta hurry up. Hurry up. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. It took me 24 minutes to do that shop, and I was done. Easy peasy. And got me a quarter when I returned the cart. It just worked out. So now I could do Audi's orders today if I choose to, okay? So let me get this order to customer A, and then B, and then hopefully get to another order, for real. All right, guys, so I just got done dropping off the customer B, and then I immediately seen an order that I wanted to take. So it was at Audi. Now, it's not at an Audi I usually go to, but it was the Audi closest to the customer. $29, 1 customer, 5 miles, under 40 items. And I was like, yo, I'm definitely gonna take it. So that's where I'm headed right now. It's telling me that I am 4 minutes away. So let's go to the Audi. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long, because like I said, I barely ever come to this Audi. I have been here a couple of times, but it's not something that I usually do. So yeah, but most layouts of Audis are similar for the most part. So let's go, y'all. All right, guys, so that order took me 50 minutes. Let me tell you why, okay? My phone was giving me my app issues, and it kept stopping. It wasn't loading. It was just in the way, okay? So it took longer than expected, but it is what it is. The customer's not responsive. I had to refund them for 3 items. 2 of them were dog costumes. Never knew Audi sold dog costumes, but whatever. and the customer did not specify what size that they needed for their dog. You get what I'm saying? So I called them. I was being nice, y'all. I hit them in the chat. I called them. I left a message. Nothing. So I just refunded it. And the other thing was some salsa water. They didn't have the 2 flavors that they wanted. And I called them when I basically called for all of them at the same time. No response. Refund. Okay. So now let me head to the customer. So the customer 15 minutes away. And oh yeah, y'all, I got another quarter. Somebody left their shopping cart out and I took it. So now I got 2 quarters. Haha. Alright. Let me get to the customer, y'all, because I need to put my heat on up high to try to dry my jacket on. I don't know why I'm not using my umbrella right now. I got 2 umbrellas, but I'm not using my umbrellas right now. I don't know why. Let's go. Alright guys, so I literally just dropped off to the customer. That customer is still unresponsive. I don't even know what's going on with that customer, but whatever. So I just accepted another order. Now it is 2 stores, but it's super easy. So the first store is Dollar Tree, and they want 8 pixie sticks. Okay, you know the little sugar, basically it's nothing but colored sugar in a stick. I don't know if you guys ate that as a kid, but they want 8 of them, just 1 item in Dollar Tree. And then they want me to go to ShopRite. I believe this whole thing is 25 items in all. And Dollar Tree is in the same plaza as ShopRite. Now, I usually don't go shopping in this ShopRite for Instacart. I have in the past, but I'm on this side of town, so I might as well, you know what I mean? But this isn't a favorite ShopRite for me. I don't like going here like that. The crazy thing is, I was actually at this ShopRite yesterday, but not for Instacart, for myself, okay? And I don't even shop at this ShopRite for myself. The only reason why I went here was for convenience. That's it, because I was already in the area. So let's head to the ShopRite. No, Dollar Tree, then ShopRite. Let's head here, get this order done. Oh yeah, the customer, I believe they're either 3 miles away or 4 miles away, something small like that. So let's go here and get this order done. The thing I like is that it seems like it's picking up now in the evening, which is great. The only thing though is that I find that I don't like driving in the dark anymore. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older and I really can't see like that, or if it's the damn new cars nowadays, they lights be beaming in your face. I don't know, but I really don't like driving in the dark like that, and it's gonna get dark soon. I believe the sun is gonna set at 6:30 something today. So probably by the time I get done with this order, it's gonna be getting dark. So hopefully I can squeeze another order in, or maybe I will do some food delivery after this, because I really don't know how late I'm gonna stay out here today. So yeah guys, let's see what happens after this order. Alright, y'all, it didn't even take me 5 minutes. These are the pixie stick things I was talking about. They wanted 8 of them. And guess what? No bag. So I'm just going to have to give it to the customer like that. I just pulled up in front of the ShopRite. Let me go in here. Go in, go out, so we can be done with this order and try to get to another order. So let's go. I know y'all can't see me like that because it's dark, okay? But let me tell y'all what just happened in there. So the shop went smooth and everything like that. But tell me why they IDing customers now if they using food stamps. And the cashier was telling me yo, she was like, these people gonna be in here tripping on us. I'm like, y'all bugging. I feel for y'all, because I can't imagine being a cashier and asking somebody with food stamps, I need to see your ID. Like, that's a recipe for disaster. Like, stuff getting wicked out here. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, the shop took me about 25 minutes. And now I'm done. The customer was very responsive. I'm going to drop these off to these customers. I might try to find another order, y'all, because it's only 6:30, but it's getting dark. So I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do about this getting dark situation, because it's about to start getting dark mad early. You get what I'm saying? Like, we going into the winter time. So I think I'm about to start bringing my ring light in the car or whatever. Like, I'm gonna just start taking my ring light with me, because I got multiple ring lights, and one of my ring lights, it actually has like a USB thing on it. So we're gonna see how that goes. But let me get this to the customer, and then yeah, y'all. Alright guys, so let me tell you guys how my night actually ended. So when I dropped off to the first customer, the customer with the pixie sticks, okay, it was so funny. So when I get to the customer's house, it says meet customer, so I ring the doorbell. Now a kid ordered these pixie sticks, okay, and the parents, they have no clue. So when I'm coming there, they're like, what's this? And I'm like, hi, my name's Tanisha, I'm with Instacart, I'm just making a delivery. This is the person's name, this is what they ordered. So the father's like, what is this, candy? So then the son's like, oh, Dad, my pixie sticks came. It was so cute. So anyway, the first customer, it was a kid with all them pixie sticks, okay? The second customer, they was up in a mountain. So, like, they was a mile from the other customer A, but they was going up a mountain, and it was dark at that point in time. I was uncomfortable. My anxiety started bothering me, because I'm like, oh my God, I'm going up a mountain. It's dark. I can't see. I want to go home, okay? So after that order, I cut it short. I cut it right then and there. I'm like, you know what? I'm done for the night. I'm not doing nothing else. I did see another order at that same shop, right? But the customer was going into the mountains, and we're just not doing that, okay? So I'm gonna go over my totals with you guys. I'm gonna keep it real short, sweet, and simple. So on Instacart, I made $127.31. I didn't make anything on Doordash. I didn't make anything on Uber. So that is my totals for that day. To be honest, $127 starting like at 1 o'clock. Like, that's when I accepted my first order. That's really not that bad. You know what I mean? Like, that's not that bad at all. I made that within a few hours, you know? So that was decent. I didn't make my minimum of $160, but it is what it is, y'all. Instacart and Doordash and Uber, all of them right now, they're sucking. So I'm just getting what I can get for the moment. All right. Those of you guys that's been like reaching out to me like, yo, where the videos? I am sorry, y'all. Like, I haven't been working like that, so it's harder for me to make videos if I'm not really like working that much. Especially, y'all seen how the beginning of this video, for like what, 2 hours, 3 hours, I wasn't doing nothing. You know what I mean? And I know I could still make a video of me not doing anything, just waiting. If y'all want to see that type of content, like when it's just dead and it's slow and I'm not making no money, if y'all still want me to record when it's being dead and slow, let me know. Like, I will do it. But I really don't turn the camera on like that until like I really start getting orders. You know what I mean? So I don't know, y'all. That's really what's been going on. But if you made it all the way to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. I appreciate y'all looking for me when I don't upload a video. Like, girl, where's you at? I really appreciate that. It really means a lot to me. I think I'm going to start working on still making videos. But if I don't go outside, maybe still find something to make a video on when it deals with the gig economy, so I can still bring content to you guys, because I don't want to fall off of YouTube completely. Like, I do want to, you know, get back into a consistent place. It's just, oh, y'all, it's so hard. Like, once you break a habit, it take like 21 days just to get back into the habit. Right now, I am not in the habit of making videos and editing videos. I'm literally like winging it. I'm just going with the flow. Like, oh shoot, it's been a week. Let me edit this video. You know what I mean? And I got to get out of that, and I need to get back into bringing out videos, okay? So I am going to work on that. Y'all can hold me accountable to that. But with that being said, I hope you guys, Monday went great, and today is Saturday. So I hope y'all making money today. I am going to record a video for today as well. So hopefully this video from today will come out not too long after this video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.